Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really big modern house. Now this is quite a difficult tutorial, but I'll be showing you how to make all of it anyway. It'll probably be a two-parter. As you can see, it's quite large, so the first part will be exterior and the second part will be interior, like all the bedrooms and everything. You do need quite a lot of space, but with creative mode you don't need to get any of the blocks, so it's nice and easy. So I'll just show you the inside quickly. As you can see, nice and open in the inside. So you've got your living room, you've got your bed, a second bedroom up the top, and you've got one there, and you've got your kitchen on the left. So that's pretty much it for the inside, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is literally just place 2 iron blocks next to each other, and then 4 glass blocks, and then another 2 iron blocks. And then across from that, you're just literally going to place 3 more iron blocks. And then you're going to place your stone blocks on every 3rd block. And all we're going to do is literally build these 2 up 3. This is basically going to be your doorway, so you need to make sure this is in the right place. And then you just want to build this one up 7, well, another 6, so it'll be 7 high overall. And you're literally just going to do that for the other 2 as well on the outside blocks. And then you're just going to leave a space on your 3rd one and place another block like that. And you're going to build this one up 7 as well. But before this, you're just going to stick 4 iron blocks next to each other. And then you're going to place some glass next to that as well. And then another 2 iron blocks. Oh, yeah, we need to change the other side. We're going to make it 5 iron blocks on each side, so you just need to come out, delete this block, and place your 5, make sure you've got 5 glass on each side. So that should be 5 now. Oh, and then we just got to build this one up 7 again, and all we got to do then is fill it up with glass. Right, so we're just going to come down here, fill these 2 columns up with glass, and you're literally going to fill the whole doorway up basically with glass. Come to the other 2 spaces here, fill the same as you did before. And you're literally just going to come here and fill your doorway up as well, above your doorway. And then you just want to come down here and take out this glass block and build up 4 high with glass. And then all around it you just want to place your iron blocks. 2 columns next to it basically, fill up with iron. Then you just want to build 1 row on top. And you just want to come here and fill this space up, same height again. And just fill this row up the same. And then we're just going to take these 2 rows up to the same height as the other row. And then we're just going to literally build across. So, yeah, it's 1 too high, so we'll have to take that row off. So we'll just take the top off of that. And then we just need to connect it up. And then you just want to fill all of this space with glass. And that's pretty much it for that side. And on the other side, all I'm going to do is fast forward it because it's exactly the same as this side. So and that's the front finished. All we're going to do now is come right to the side of it and place 16 iron blocks all the way back just to mark out a grid for where our house is going to be. And then you want to do the same on the other side and then literally run the iron blocks back. I don't do this in the video, but I just literally run it back from the side and then work out where it is. Just come to the side here again and count 16 back. And then we're literally just going to take out every third block on the sides. Now you need to make sure this is completely symmetrical, because this is where your window's going to be. This is where your blocks are going to be placed, the stone blocks. So it should look something like that. And then all we're going to do is fill it up. Oh no, we're not. We're just going to literally build up the side here a bit. So it's just the same height on these iron blocks. Just on this front part though. Right, and then all we're going to do is come in the gaps and place iron blocks all the way up. And it's going to be about, you need to place the iron blocks 7 high in all of the gaps you made, so you can do that on both sides as well. All you're going to do here is literally take out these iron blocks and fill it with glass. So you just want to do these on the front 2 rows. And you want to fill it all the way in line to these stone blocks here. I'm just going to fill this iron row up all the way to top as well. And then literally all you're going to do is the same on the other side. So I'm just going to fast forward this bit to make it a bit quicker, because you know what you're doing on this side. So it's exactly the same, no difference at all. Iron blocks all the way here, and then just literally fill these with stone all the way to the top. So it's the same height as everything on the other side, because you're trying to make it symmetrical. Iron blocks all the way row here, and then just literally glass in these 2 rows, and that's that section done. Right, so the next bit we're going to do is the actual roof. So you just want to come on top and place iron blocks all along the top of this section here. This is basically going to be the height of the roof. So you just want to build one out diagonally all along here. So it's just going to be same in line, and no, we don't delete these blocks, so place them back. And just want to build out all the way along till it comes in line with this bottom row here. So if you want to check, just build up a bit to make sure it's there. And all you're going to do is build out. I'll probably fast forward this bit as well, just to make it a bit quicker, because you know what you're doing as well. And you literally, all you're doing is building back. And all I'm going to do here, once I finish this section, is build the roof all the way outwards, using the same technique, seeing if the roof's basically in line. So we filled up this section, and all we're going to do is carry on building back till we get to the side of the wall. And then we're just going to do exactly the same on the other side. So to check, you just want to look down, and if it's in line, then you've done it right. There you can see the wall, and you just want to literally take out the blocks with the stone below and build the stone all the way up to the top. And then we're just going to place iron blocks where they're in these two gaps, and just going to place glass in the remaining gaps. So that's that side of the wall done, and we're just going to build, I'm not sure, I'm just going to do exactly the same on the other side. So I'm just going to skip that bit because you know what you're doing. And right, so the next bit we're going to do is come across diagonally and build iron blocks all the way across, like that. And just want to build it up one again. And you're going to do that all the way till we hit the wall. So we just build this out a bit. And that's the front of it done, I think. Oh no, we got to do the other side. So just fill in that gap. And then do exactly the same on the other side. So I'll just fast forward this bit again, because you know what you're doing in this bit. Right, so that's the front completely done. And all we're going to do now is literally do the back, and then that's almost the shell done. So as you can see, the front of it's done, almost. And then you just literally got to come to the back, and we're just going to fill it in. So you just want to build up these two iron rows. And then you just want to come along to the row, and then literally where the outside stone block is, put a stone block on the other side. And then you just want to find the outside stone block here and place that. And every block in the middle, you just delete that and replace it with a stone block. Then you just want to build three up, on the outside row. 4 up even. And then build out. So it should be 4 out in the end. And you want to keep building out all the way over the stone block. And that's that top bit done. So it's literally going to build the outside row down again, same as on the other side. And what we're going to do now is add our stairs. So we're just going to take out one block from the centre and place it with a stair. Then you just want to come below that, place another block, and build your stairs all the way down. Then you can just delete the blocks underneath, because you don't actually need them. Apart from that one, you do actually need that one. And then you just want to come to the other side, delete the inside block, and replace it with stair, exactly the same as what you did on the other side. And then you just want to delete all the blocks underneath that you don't actually need. So it should look something like that. All we're going to do here is build 2 out on the back. And then build 1 up again. Right, on the left side, we're just going to leave a row and then place a row of iron, all the way to the side, and then you literally want to build 2 in on each side. And then you want to take this top row in the centre of stone all the way across, like that. You just want to build this row up on the sides. Oh no, my bad. You just want to take the top row above the stone all the way up to the top. So you just want to leave a row and then you just want to place the corner pieces of it so it connects up. On the other side, you just want to do it exactly the same. Build up a row of iron all the way across. Oh, we forgot to fill in that row. We just add that block across now, and then all you're going to do here is build 2 in, the same again. The next bit you're going to do, we haven't done this yet, is literally just going to come across, build up 1 more row on the top, and then build 1 row out. Then you just want to come across again and build another row up, and then 1 more row on top of that. Then you just need to connect it up to this centerpiece by building it out 2 again. Oh no, 1 again, sorry. And then you just want to stick a row on top and connect that up. And on the outside 3 row, you just want to build all the way out to glass. So you're going to do exactly the same on the other side, all the way out to glass, so you can see the glass is there. So you're just going to do that on the other side. So this is exactly the same as the other side. So you just want to build out again, and then you want to take the first 3 on the outside again after you've done this section, and you just want to build it all the way out to glass. And then you just want to build these corner pieces down all the way so you can delete those 2 blocks, and then you just want to do exactly the same on the other side. This is the most difficult bit, like the bit we've just done, so if you've got this far, you've done well. So you just want to, once you've built these corner pieces down, you just want to come to the side and you want to build 1 out again, 1 up. And take this bottom row all the way across, and then 1 out. So it should look something like that, so it's almost a row in. And then you just want to place these corner pieces in again. And we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So you just want to take this row all across again to the edge, and then you just want to come across and then fill it in. Stick in the corner pieces again. And that's the back almost done. I think all we got to do now is fill in the glass, and that's the back outside almost finished. So once you've filled in the glass, you're completely done on the exterior, and in the next video I'll show you how to do the interior. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.